Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll be cooking. Cooking with we're not. Today we'll be cooking the world hardest omelette. So
Yeah.
here's the video of what we'll be doing.
Making the world's hardest omelet with a spatula.
I know this one. So this is our first try. We don't know what is going on, but yeah. Okay. Alright, that's a short video about it, and then we'll start the cooking, and then you will rate the person who does it best. So how are you gonna start?
I got it.
I know I got it.
I think I'm gonna first get the eggs. That's the first
She
thing.
didn't even wash her hands.
Yo, cause I'm always clean. You know, a chef is always clean. I don't need to wash my hands.
That's not true. So please chill.
It's not like we're gonna serve you guys the omelet. We're gonna try it. And if it's a five-star,
Yappa. Shut it, please. Thank you, Shanice.
let me wash my hands.
And I'm gonna just use
Today we're
eggs.
partnering with Dawn, guys. This is for for dishes. Can I get a paper towel?
I just need salt.
Okay. This is gonna require 201, 405, 607, 809. Before I get into the cooking, guys, I've been drinking my lemon tea. So let me tell you the reason, guys. I have a vacation. And I need to be slim. I need to be slim by the time I go for my vacation. So I was thinking, can I put the lemon tea in the eggs? Sita, I dare you to eat the eggshells. $100.
There,
Can you dare me?
I cannot.
Please. You know I would get the $100.
That's why I won't dare anyone.
Please stay.
So guys, I'm trying to, what do they call it? Kumutipano.
Guys, hari abantu bambwiye ngo ntabwo turi abanyarwanda, ngo ntabwo tujye tuvuga ikinyarwanda. Ibyo ikinyarwanda ndakizi. Nkunda no kugikoresha cyane ahubwo. Ariko hari amagambo amwe aba yanyihishe, nyarasamo imbogo rero. You want to make sure your eggs are yellow.
Right?
Oh no.
You muntu murabona ni ready. Usenga ibyo ni ibiki?
Birangatse. Guys, kera mama yarambwiraga ngo kugira ngo wumve n'ipanu yahiye.
My God! Wow!
Ibyo ni serivisi cyangwa ipaniruma.
Ibyo ari byo byose simbizi.
A little bit of oil, not too much.
Uyu mwana agiye guteka amafiriti. Guys, rule number 1 of cooking: take your time. I don't know why you're rushing, but take your time.
I'm not rushing, you're just slow.
No. And after using your eggshells, where do you put them? You eat them.
Damn!
But they told me, guys, ibi bintu ngo birimo calcium. Is it calcium? Is it iodine? Potassium.
Stop it.
Guys, I skipped all my chemistry classes. Yeah, high school is a chemistry, but you can't ask me anything. Mu kigo cyose
yaratsinze none barababeshya sinzi
uko mashaka kukirya. My intrusive thoughts. Intrusive?
vuga ikinyarwanda
Kamvuga ikinyarwanda. Ibitekerezo byawe byo mu indani birimo kumbwira ngo nige iki eggshell kandi ngiye kukirya. Nigeze mwereza umusaba amavuta.
umureti wanjye nuko umenya ko byagenze
Anyway,
guys, this is very so it's part of what we live with. Ipane ni kuri gushirira numva sibyo
yeah, man.
nyuma y'uko ipane ishyushye ubanza ukagabanya umuriro.
Ariko ubundi njye menyera amaziko yo mu Rwanda. Aya maziko buri gihe hora njena.
none se n'ibi bigenze gute?
You can never take the village out of me. What's the oil?
I don't even use a spatula.
That is mine. Amagi yawe leta yivanga n'ayanjye. Ndi kuguseka wenda ubona nashyizemo amavuta makeya ma. Aya ni make. Guys, this video is a shout out to my mom because she taught me how to cook.
About to see.
So, mommy, if you see this video, I love you and I miss you.
Oh my God, what is that?
Guys, please no. Vuba.
Murabona umuntu ashaka kunwika.
Ako guys, when njyewe I work in the kitchen alone. Ndi ibintu byose mbikora neza. Space and my lemon tea sipping. Nyine akantu kanjye. That is already wrong. Ni ukuri. Kinyarwanda.
Umuratangira ashwanyutse.
It's time to cook.
Guys, I don't know what I'm cooking, but yeah, I'm cooking. What can be this? It wasn't dry yet.
Chop rice.
It's just as much, but come on.
I really hope I don't embarrass my mom cause
In the meantime, when this is
what the hell, auntie? What the hell,
move. I'm gonna prepare my rice, guys.
Guys, Cynthia is
Nandetse.
none si ibi ni ibiki?
What the hell? What the hell?
guys, compared to the video, mumbwire niba nirira ari seri.
Tukwa nabo bamaye ipanu mbi ipanu irashiriye ipanu ifite
ikintu kirenze nuko you even stop my spatula. Basi ukoresha akabomero tukamenya ko you're blaming akabomero. Anywho, Chef Louis is done. What it is? Wagwan. Oh goodness, let me put on this light. Not change. Get up. Okay, then the biscuit arranged. Just leave your omelette on for like what? A few 45 seconds. So sawa
kinafasha ipanu mbi
ngeze nyiguhitiramo
kuko nayisanze hose
icyo kibazo cyaba ari cyiza rwose. Joking. Anyways, let me also get my rice ready. Kure sahani yawe. Mind you, even if you're nijoro. Because we ain't cooking again. It's the presentation. Guys, I like that guy uhora uvuga ngo see the birungo,
see the breakfast, see the food. Ubundi kuri breakfast murya.
No, see the pano. Nese
Nyana yambabari bamaye ipanu mbi ipanu yangira shiriye ipanu sisamira.
ubu se tujye kugura amapano mashyashya cyangwa ushobora guteka mu isafuriya. Ako se what will happen? Umunatesure. Guys, nzabikora mbigerageze nzababwira uko byagenze. Ubundi ikintu cya mbere aba ari presentation. Okay. Guys, nahoraga mvuga ko Cynthia is a poor chef. Now what is this? I don't even know. Shirira. But kamanzi kiro presentation yanjye. Oya, yari giye gushya.
Ni level.
Shit is it the one.
Dore na rero umuceri mwinshi.
Nange Nairobi. Namazani saduni.
Ibi ni ibiki biri kumbaho abantu b'Imana.
Uburyo amapano yatangiye asa.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh hell no.
Iyi ngiyi wanayikoresha wakora ukayikoresha nanone. But I doubt if you could use the one for Cynthia again.
Simply wash it.
Trash. Yeah, with the shoes. And then guys, let me first clean.
As saw in the vid,
Like a good chef, I gotta clean my thing.
I cleaned mine earlier.
And then for the purpose of ko yanze gukatikasa.
Akatari kubyinisha ngo chuku.
Bijyanye byanze gukata guys.
Amahi flat.
Hey.
Banze kubumbuka se. Ndetse ntabwo uzigera
Yeah. Guys, I think Kenya nayimishije cyane. Noneho
ibyo ari byo byose guys.
presentation yanjye isipa ariko nta mushef.
Ngerageze mu murya numve ibyo natetse n'ibiki.
From my lemon tea, I gotta pick a lemon.
Lemon ku muceri.
Buze utundi tuntu natakaho. Hano nta tuntu tw'udutakisho mfite, but let me let me first test mine. We can rate each other and not cheating. Please don't.
Yep. This is a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. So put that for in the brand. Yeah.
Well, it's nice. No, I'm not lying. It's nice. But I just like overcooked it. I don't know. With rice.
Presentable, but what is this?
lemon. I'm trying to get slim, guys.
From here.
I'm even scared. Guys, now giving me heat.
The heat.
Got him. We fucking got him.
Good man.
Well, I might have failed that, but then nziguteka guys. Ibi ngibi ni uko wambaye iconumbi. Iconumbi rero yatumye umuntu yisangishirira wanga gushya neza. Ariko bitetse neza, n'ibyo rero biraryoshye. Ariko ibintu ntabwo mbizi.
After eating that poison, I need my vitamins. I can't, because what is this? But anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope we cook better next time, because this was...
next time tuzogura amapame.
Ubu so abafana bacu baza kudusura ma.
Ibi ngibi ntabwo ari byo. Muzaza narabimenye.
Guys, ngiye gutangira gufata cooking classes. Ariko ubundi I can cook. Imyumbati se amateke. I can do that. Ariko imireti. But literally this is the world hardest omelette.
It's hard. Like kugira ngo ugume uri good.
Ubu ngubu we can qualify kujya muri world classes. You have 10, 9 presentation. So anyways, this was fun to know that we can't do this.
Yeah, but we at least tried. First step, try. And then you will know what.
So thank you for watching the video. If you want to get slim like me, drink a lemon tea.
Yeah.
And remember to like, subscribe, comment, like, yeah.
Share the video with your friends.
Video soon. You see more what? Different foods.
Yep.
Yeah. More things. Bye bye.